Looking for the best anti-aging treatment to rejuvenate your skin and achieve a radiant, youthful glow? The secret lies in combining two powerhouse solutions: red light therapy, RLT, and the vibrant Elevate Cucumber Photodynamic Toner. Together, they create a dynamic anti-aging duo that targets wrinkles, boosts collagen, and enhances your skin's natural resilience. Let's dive into why this combination is the ultimate anti-aging regimen. Red light therapy is a safe, painless, and non-invasive treatment that has taken the skincare world by storm. Originally used for wound healing, RLT is now celebrated for its rejuvenating effects on the skin. Here's why it's considered one of the best anti-aging treatments available. Boosts collagen production and reduces wrinkles, as well as fine lines for firmer, smoother skin. Increases skin elasticity by promoting elastin production to restore youthful bounce. Reduces inflammation and calms redness, as well as irritation, making it ideal for sensitive skin. Fades sun damage, as well as dark spots, and helps even out skin tone for a brighter complexion. RLT works for most skin types and requires minimal downtime, making it a convenient treatment for your skincare routine. Many users report a brighter, smoother complexion within just a few weeks. To maximize the benefits of RLT, pair it with the vibrant Elevate Cucumber Photodynamic Toner. This advanced skincare formulation is designed to enhance the effects of LED light therapy while providing hydration, antioxidant protection, and microbiome support. Vibrant Elevate. Hydrates and soothes, infused with cucumber and matcha green tea that calms and refreshes your skin. Boosts antioxidant protection and combats free radicals with chlorophyll, spin trap, and astaxanthin. Enhances LED therapy by creating a photodynamic environment to optimize light absorption and healing. Protects against UV and blue light damage and shields your skin from environmental stressors. Restores the moisture barrier with sodium PCA and tonka bean prebiotic support for a healthy skin microbiome. Biophysically increases vitamin D production and promotes overall skin health and resilience. This toner is a 3-month supply, making it a cost-effective addition to your skincare routine. It's the perfect partner for RLT, helping you achieve radiant, healthy-looking skin. Combining red light therapy with the vibrant Elevate creates a synergistic effect that amplifies your results and reduces the signs of aging. Whether you're targeting wrinkles, sun damage, acne, or uneven skin tone, this powerful anti-aging treatment combo delivers visible, long-lasting results. If you're ready to transform your skincare routine, visit our web shop and experience the best anti-aging treatment for achieving youthful, glowing skin.